Hi, I'm Tung Nguyen, and welcome to another exclusive luxury condo listing. Today I come to you from 88 East San Fernando Street, Unit 1506 in San Jose, California, 95113. Please join me as we tour this modern luxury condo with million-dollar views and its surrounding areas. Something that a lot of people don't know is that the 88 building is the highest residential building south of San Francisco and north of LA. Here we're on the 15th floor in Unit 1506, which has floor-to-ceiling windows, which allows for amazing million-dollar views of the city, mountain peaks, and beyond. Inside the unit, you have hardwood floors that flow seamlessly throughout the unit. In the kitchen, you have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry. Imagine coming home from work, going up to the 21st floor sky deck with a nice glass of wine and your significant other, and enjoying the nice views as you unwind for the night. One of the cool features of the 88 building is the garage secured gate opens extremely quick. It's been my pleasure taking you on this video tour today. As your neighborhood expert, please contact me with any questions you may have. I look forward to working with you.